We've got a late model Saturn. Customers complaining about a wind noise on the driver's side up around the door area around 35 miles an hour. Now normally that'd be quite a diagnostic challenge. Wind noises and water leaks are really tough on diagnostics. So we're going to use a smoke machine to show you how easy it can be. Now we're not going to fill the inside of the car with smoke. That wouldn't be very practical. But what we are going to do on the inside of the car is turn the blower on high, but we're going to make sure we're pulling fresh air in. So do not select Recirc or Max, but just have it on normal. Get a lot of air moving in the car. We're going to pressurize the cabin, and if any of the weather stripping or any windows or anything like that's leaking, it should deflect the smoke. Now, we're going to slow the smoke down, so to speak, this little deflector adapter that comes with machines. So we'll turn the smoke on, and as a control, I'm just going to show you at the door panel, the smoke comes out kind of lazy and just makes its own little path. Now, let's go ahead and follow the weather stripping, starting up here at the A pillar. And it seems to pretty much not be deflected by much, if any. I don't really see it being pulled in or pushed away or moved from side to side. So it looks like that door panel, at least along the window, is okay. Let's go ahead and bring it down the B pillar. Oh, right here I see quite a bit of turbulence. It's just puffing that smoke in different directions. Let's go ahead and move it down. Looks like it gets better as we go down the B pillar. But at the top of the B pillar, looks like I've definitely got some sort of leak going on there. Let's continue moving down that B pillar. Doesn't look bad, doesn't look bad. And we'll get around here to the door seal. And let's just try a little control again. Looks like I've got some tornadic effect here. A little turbulence. Let's move it to the side. That's what it ought to look like if there's no leak. And back this way. That's what it looks like when there's a leak. Simple, quick test. Well, it looks like this car is a good candidate for some weather stripping. Once again, the smoke machines proved to be the hero of the day. What used to be a very, very frustrating diagnostic procedure, wind noises and water leaks, now diagnosed quickly and efficiently, thanks to a smoke machine. Well, that's just 4 easy, quick uses, examples to show you how you can put a smoke machine to work outside of the EVAP world. We looked under the dash and we've seen HVAC sealed vacuum circuit leaks. We looked under the hood and we found leaks for vacuum hoses. We found an intake manifold gasket leaking, fuel injector O-rings leaking, you name it. We even inadvertently, by putting smoke through the intake and seeing it come out through the PCV valve, through the crankcase, found a bad valve cover. By the way, speaking of looking for oil leaks, be aware, not only you're looking for smoke and the dye, you also want to look for bubbling or dripping. Now, also in this program, we discovered that the smoke machine's great for finding exhaust leaks. Just put the old plunger in the back of that tailpipe, put the smoke in there. If you have a dual exhaust, plug off the other side, and we find this leaky muffler clamp. Also, those most frustrating leaks, wind noises and water leaks, found one of those very quickly on the Saturn using some smoke as well. Let's take some more looks at all kinds of different uses, some of these still shots of smoke machines in action. Well, just like we were taking smoke and looking for the leaks under the dash in a closed circuit vacuum hose, same thing goes on with vacuum operated EGR valves. Another closed circuit system, a solenoid and the diaphragm. Roll some smoke in, see where it leaks out in that system. Here's a case where the diaphragm itself was leaking smoke right through it. Going to the back end of the vehicle, we can use the smoke as well on all kinds of axle and differential seals. Take the plug out where you normally check the fluid level, put the smoke in there, crimp off the vent hose to the differential. Now look around the pinion seals and the axle seals, see if you got smoke coming out. Tell you exactly where you're losing that differential fluid. All kinds of uses. They go on and on. The old cruise controls, operated off a vacuum, even older than that, cars with vacuum operated power locks. There's no car too old or too new to use a smoke machine on. Well, as you can see, there's a lot of uses for the smoke machine. Really, the limit is your imagination. Well, we hope that takes some of the heartburn out of finding leaks, EVAP and otherwise, with smoke machines. For AVI, I'm Dave Hobbs. God bless and thank you so much for watching this training program.